Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video we will have our discussion on the weekly horoscope results for all the rising signs for the week of April 14th till April 20th. So guys, during this week, the only planet which is going to be making a major shift is going to be the planet Sun, which is going to be getting exalted. I already uploaded a video on that. And Moon is going to be starting the week from the Libra. When it will transit the sign of Scorpio, it will receive the straight aspect from the planet Jupiter, and once it will enter the sign of Sagittarius, it will receive the 10th aspect from the planet Saturn as well. So guys, yeah, that is what the major highlight of the journey of the moon during this week is. And guys, just because I never put, or sometimes I forget to put the timestamps on my videos, those who put it in the comment section, I'm very grateful, very thankful to you guys. Today I don't have the option because my laptop is not working, and even the DSLR has got the 30 minutes recording duration time limit. So that means I will be putting this raw footage. So please write the timestamps on the comment section. And yes, now we can shift our discussion to the customized results for all the rising signs. So guys, starting first with the Aries Lagna natives. So guys, in your case, the very first highlight of this week is that for the students and for the artists, this is going to be a very good week. Along with that, people who are connected with the stock market, trading and all, so they can actually strike a gold. Regarding that front, the week is actually creating a good energy. Like for being in the limelight and all the visibility to come to you, this week is actually creating a good energy for you guys. Because guys, and along with that, let's say for example, if you are contemplating any of the shift from your daily residing area and all, so that can also be prioritized. It's just like that, I'm not giving you a go ahead for buying any property or finalizing any property purchase. It's just like that, for any amendments or shifting from your daily residing, from your daily life, that can be prioritized. People who work in any of the commissioning kind of work, this could be a very good week for them, like for commission, or you are in sales and all, so you might end up making a big sale and the commission is going to be very good on that sale. So for those kind of work and pursuit, the week is creating a good energy. In the matters of relationship, again guys, I will say the same thing. We still have to wait for Venus to be out of the clutches of the Rahu and Saturn, but just because your fifth lord being exalted in the first house will give you good amount of attention, good amount of like being on the limelight and all. So enjoy as much as you can, go out on dates, but when it comes down to the final commitment, I would still say that this week is not giving that much of the positivity over there. And along with that, by the end of the week, there is a high possibility of some sort of like pilgrimage or travel with the family. And whatever travel you will undertake, it is going to be very uplifting, very inspiring for the Aries Lagna natives. So guys, the highlight of this week is that recognition, limelight, people who are in any of the research or any of the commissioning work, they can have a good week. And yes, some sort of travel by the end of the week. For the students, for the artists, for the creative people, the week is actually creating some good energy. Now guys, when we talk about the Taurus Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, as you can see that during this week, especially if in your line of work, in your job, you are like dealing with the multinational companies or the overseas client, so this week can actually bring some praiseworthy word or email from your clients. Regarding that front, the week is creating a good energy. In the matters of the relationship as well guys, Moon is going to be spending good quality time in your 7th house, Jupiter giving its aspect, and the 7th lord is 9th from its original placement. So I mean to say, even in the matters of the relationship, the week is creating a favorable positive energy. It's just like that guys, by the end of the week, there's going to be slight stress which the Taurus Lagna native might have to deal with on the account of some sort of like where people close to you did not treat you well, and that might affect you emotionally. So yes, some sort of not very good kind of treatment on the account of people close to you might be a stress point by the end of the week. Along with that, for people who are in their own business, people who are connected with any of the overseas venture, even in the matters of the courtship and like expecting some proposal or some business opportunity to come to you regarding that front. The week is creating a good energy for the Taurus Lagna natives. So guys, if I were to summarize, in the matters of the courtship, relationship, commercial opportunities, week is very favorable, especially people who are engaged in a multinational company or overseas client commissioning work. This could be a good week for them. And yes, by the end of the week, some sort of stress point on the account of some ill treatment by people in your circle. For the Gemini Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, as you can see that the very first thing is that in your line of work, like if any of the promotion or appraisal is long pending, overdue, and if it will happen during this week, there is a high possibility that it will turn out as per your liking. For the recognition point of view, more visibility, or this could be a case that lately you have been under tremendous stress at your work. So the result of that in the form of some praise, some appreciation from your bosses could materialize during this week. Along with that, guys, if I were to say, people who are in the health industry, fitness industry and all, any of the problem solving skills and all. So see, the thing is, the highlight and the energy of this week is finding that sort of, love and finding that sort of motivation to put more efforts in your work. Now this could happen because in order to impress someone or in order to fulfill your goals, or this could be some added responsibility, some additional perk or remuneration which will be offered to you. So this is how it is going to be working out for the Gemini Lagna natives during this week. Along with that, guys, by the end of the week, there's a high possibility for running into someone. Like by the end of the week, the energy is very favorable for some joint activity with your partner, with your spouse, or people who are on a lookout for a partner, or like in the matters of the relationship. End of the week is actually creating some good energy, because guys, look at it in this way: whenever the karma triangle get empowered, so in your case, moon is going to be transiting from the 7th house, receiving the aspect from the planet Saturn. Over and above that, the third lord is exalted in the 11th house. So end of the week is actually creating a good energy in the matters of, this could be those who are in a business, or even in the matters of, like if you are single, awaiting for some proposal, running into someone like-minded partner and all. So in the matters of the courtship and commercial opportunities, by the end of the week, it is actually creating a good energy. So overall, it's a very uplifting, motivating kind of week for the Gemini Lagna natives. Now guys, when we talk about the Cancer Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, the very first highlight of this week is that the domestic matters, the family matters is going to be keeping you occupied by Monday and Tuesday. Recognition in all those kind of cases where it is long overdue will come during this week. Let's say, for example, if lately you have been stressing yourself too much in order to guide or show guidance and help people around you, so the recognition of that will come during this week. Like in any capacity, if you have walked extra miles to help others, so some sort of appreciation for that will come to you, which will make you feel very uplifted, very contented. Along with that, for any of the concerns of, like if you are out of job, you're applying for a job, or let's say for example for the artist and the creative people, like some sort of appreciation, recognition for your contribution can also materialize during this week as well. So guys, even for the students, because the 5th house of yours is receiving the aspect from the planet Jupiter, 10th house of yours is already glorified. So whether you are a student or whether even if you work in any of the stock market and all, so for those people as well, the freelance, self-employed people as well, the week is actually creating some good energy. And just like that, guys, by the end of the week, like on Saturday and Sunday, health might be a slight stress point for the Cancer Lagna natives, or some sort of like breakthrough in your daily flow or daily schedule and all, because of some sort of commitment to other people, to the family and all. So that might cause some hindrance in your daily schedule, but overall in terms of recognition and all, the week is actually creating a very good energy. Like the feel good factor is going to be over there. Now guys, when we talk about the Leo Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, the very first thing is that whatsoever you have been enduring from the past couple of weeks, this is going to be the end of it, and a sigh of relief will come in a form of some new motivation, drive, which will come back. Along with that, by the beginning of the week, there is a slight possibility of some travel, which will prove out to be very profitable for the Leo Lagna natives. Along with that, guys, as you can see over here, people who are in any capacity in public domain, like whether you have any of the political aspiration, you're working as a realtor and all, you're working as an architect and all. So if I were to say, the week is going to be very profitable in all those kind of ventures as well. And by the end of the week, guys, like there's going to be much of the time which you will have in order to take out time for some pleasurable leisure kind of activities, like hanging out with your friends, going out for shopping, or like this could be engaging in any sport with your buddies, with your friends and all. So this is how this week is going to be turning out for the Leo Lagna natives. So guys, see, the beginning of the week will actually create that energy, that whatever plan with which and whatever motivation with which you will start the week, you will see it falling in the right direction, like dots are getting connected. People who are in public profile, this is going to be the time for like appreciation and some like praiseworthy emails and feedback which will come to you. Along with that, guys, let's say for example, those who are planning to sell off any property, you might be able to find a buyer. Like again, for purchase of or finalizing a new property, the week is not very favorable. But those who are trying to get rid of any of the existing property, you have already listed it out, so there's a high possibility of finding a buyer and all. And yes, guys, this is how the week is going to be turning out for the Leo Lagna natives. Now guys, when we talk about the Virgo Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, the very first highlight of this week is that by the beginning of the week, like the week will start on a note with heightened attention given to the family duties, responsibilities. Like at the beginning of the week, there might be some sudden financial opportunity which will also come to you, especially people who are in their own business or in any of the family business and all. Along with that, guys, let's say for example, if in any capacity, like you're working in any of the commissioning kind of work and your running dasha is running favorable right now, so a lot of the Virgo Lagna natives might also stand a chance for some sudden speculative win. Like this could be some sudden amount of money which will come to you. This could be in a way that any of your payment or your money which has been long struck, suddenly the payment is going to be released. So regarding that front, the week is creating a good energy. And along with that, guys, let's say for example, for some sort of short travels, like this is seems to be a week which will actually keep you very occupied because of your commitments. This could be that your appointments are going to be fixed, which will keep you busy and occupied. And also, guys, for those people who are like, you are a creator, you are an influencer, but those people who are especially dedicated to those subjects which are very taboo, which are very sensitive, like you work with that crusade kind of activism kind of mindset. So those people can actually get benefited because of their crusade, because of their activist mindset and all. So yes, guys, this is how the week is going to be turning out for the Virgo Lagna natives. So any of the collaboration and any of those people you will get in touch with, they will actually like inspire or motivate you, like they will leave an influence or lasting impression to you. That's all what I'm trying to say. Now guys, when we talk about the Libra Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, the very first highlight is that the week will start with a lot of the attention given to self. So because moon is going to be immediate after the vibration of the full moon is going to be transiting from the first house. And the good thing is that, guys, at the beginning of the week only, sun is also going to be getting exalted in your in your 7th house in itself as well. So especially people who are in business, so for any of the commercial decision making, some important deal to get finalized, or let's say for example any of your money which has been long struck, like any of the payment which was long struck, this week is actually creating an energy that the payment will be released. Regarding that front, the week is actually creating a good energy. Like the way, guys, if I were to say, it's actually a very good week, the way the whole planetary alignment is happening, that if you want to deal with your or talk to your bosses regarding your remuneration, regarding your package, or for any of the financial dealing, this week can be prioritized. Along with that, guys, middle of the week is going to be filled with being very much devoted to the family chores, family duties, family responsibilities will keep you occupied. And by the end of the week, there's a high possibility, like if I were to say Thursday, Friday, Saturday will be filled with like some sort of short travels or hanging out, socializing with the family and the friends. But overall, guys, the highlight of this week is that some block payment getting released, some lucrative commercial opportunities, and family duties and responsibilities. That is how I'm looking at this week to be turning out for the Libra Lagna natives. Now, guys, when we talk about the Scorpions, so guys, for you people, the very first highlight of this week is that, see, the week will start on this note that you will be finding yourself like being lacking energy or being devoid of energy or motivation and all. But with the passage of the days, the week will actually, like the way it will catapult into some sudden surge motivation which will come to you. Along with that, guys, during this week, because your ascendant lord is now transiting in your 9th house, over and above that, sun has already now has got exalted in your 6th house, so your luck will push you in the right direction. Like, let's say for example, during this week, those people who are already a strong contender for any promotion or you are applying for a job and all, so there's a high possibility that your employment application will be accepted. So for recognition, appreciation, the week is creating a very good energy. Along with that, guys, just because the whole highlight is right over there in your 1st house, and the first lord is there in the 9th house. So especially for those people who are the face of any brand, or you are in a field where you are in the field of the judiciary, you work as a teacher, you work as a trainer, you work as an influencer and all. So the week is actually creating a good energy for all those people as well. And yes, guys, by the end of the week, there's a high possibility for some by the end of the week, some sudden amount of money which will come to you. So overall, guys, the week will start on a slightly lack of energy kind of mode, but with the passage like from Tuesday, Wednesday onwards only, you will see a sudden surge or spike in your motivation level, and the way things are going to be getting aligned perfectly as per your plan. And yes, for those people who have to go on any important meetings, you have to finalize anything, even in the matters of the relationship, guys, the week is creating a good energy, like impressing someone, running into someone. But again, guys, even in any of the courtship related matters, just keep that lion side up front. Like, don't be like a pity case, like be like a warrior that, okay, I am capable of doing many things. So keep your alpha male side up front, and you will be able to impress those people who matters most for you. Now, guys, when we talk about the Sagittarius Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, the week will start on a good note, in a way that by the start of the week, you will find yourself very uplifted, very motivated. Social life will keep many occupied. By the middle of the week, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, if you are planning or scheduling any of the hospital visit, any of the medical expense, medical treatment, if that is what you are contemplating planning, middle of the week is actually proving out to be very very helpful for you. Because, guys, look at it in this way. Right now, in your case, your trine house is in a very strengthened state. Like, your 9th lord is exalted in the 5th house, and moon is going to be transiting from the 12th house as well. So you do not have to worry much about any of the 12th house related concerns or worries, if that is getting applicable in your case. Like, you have been embroiled, like any of the court case hearing, any of the hospital visit and all. So don't worry about it. Your stars are actually supporting you. The guardian angel is supporting you. Along with that, guys, for those people in whose case, like anything to do with the overseas client or import export nature of work, or especially multinational company employees and all, the week is going to be creating some good energy. By the end of the week, guys, you will actually find that solace. But the middle of the week is going to be filled with lot of uncertainties. So uncertainties are going to be very high during this week. Now, I do not know in which capacity it is going to be getting applicable in your case, but yes, week is going to be filled with uncertainties, and there might be slight discomfort, inconveniences in the travels as well. So be very mindful of that. there is an energy of travels, but it is not going to be very smooth because even the 12th lord is there in the 8th house. So yes, like energy of like losing the luggage, being stranded, some sort of discomfort. So be very mindful and well prepared in all these kind of circumstances. And yes guys, when we talk about for the artist, for the creative people, or like sudden romance, like running into someone, suddenly getting attracted to someone, like you met someone and on the very first date, oh my god, looks like I know you from past so many lifetimes. So that sort of deja vu kind of experience lot many Sagittarius Lagna will go through. Now guys, when we talk about the Capricorn Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, the week is actually creating a good energy, especially people who are working as a realtor or people who are in any of the public domain. So this is going to be a good week for those people. Along with that guys, just because moon is going to be spending some good time in your 11th house, and the 11th lord is also there in the 7th house. So this whole exchange is actually putting you in a position of advantage. So even if you will go for any meeting, any job interview, any of the business negotiation, so there is a high possibility that you will end up getting the best deal for you. And also guys, for like those people who are applying for any job and something, so your job application being approved and all, so regarding that as well, the week is very favorable. By the end of the week, like on Friday, Saturday, some sort of travels can also materialize, which will prove out to be very profitable, like which will prove out to be very comfortable. So this is how guys this week is going to be turning out. So overall guys, the week's energy is much in your command, in your favor, like the way we say, giving you a leverage or competitive edge in majority of the life areas. Now guys, when we talk about the Aquarius rising natives, so guys, in your case, as you can see this thing that moon is going to be starting the week from the 9th house. So it's just like that. Monday is going to be filled with a lot of the motivation, guidance, direction, which you have, a lot of the plans which you have. And over and above that guys, like moon on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is going to be transiting from your 10th house, and sun is now exalted in your 3rd house. So yes guys, do not lose out on this opportunity at your career front. Your career front is in the focal point. It's the center of attention right now. So many Aquarians during this week will stand a chance for recognition for their contribution. And let's say for example guys, if in the past couple of weeks you have been embroiled in any financial scam, like people who have put some false allegation on you that the way you managed finances and the allocation and the management of the funds and all, so a lot many people will have this chance to come out clean, to kind of come out clean and being able to put forth their stance as well. For people who are like in any capacity connected with like something to do with the research, with the policing work, investigative work, there's a high possibility for success, recognition, appreciation from your superiors, from your bosses and all. And yes guys, overall the highlight of this week is actually putting the Aquarians in a position of advantage. Whether moon transiting from the 10th house and the 10th lord being in a strengthened state in the 6th house is like a Viprit Raj Yoga, like that Uttar Kala Amrit Shlok. And even after that, when moon will enter in your 11th house, so I mean to say that this is a good time for the Aquarius Lagna natives to be on the forefront. Whatever plans you are contemplating, because Aquarians are very deep thinker. So whatever plans and vision you have, this is the time to take the chance or implement those plans. And yes guys, if I were to say in terms of some leap and bound improvement or development or progress in your career, this is how I'm seeing the highlight of this week for the Aquarius Lagna natives. So whether you talk about from the students' point of view, whether you talk about even in the matters of the love and romance and the courtship as well, there is a high possibility some sudden matrimonial proposal might also come to you. And now guys, energy is getting cleared up, like for finalizing any of the matrimonial proposal or like taking your relationship to the next level of commitment, like making your partner meet your family and all. So regarding that front as well, the week is actually creating a good energy. Now guys, and lastly, when we talk about for the Pisces Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, the very first thing is that the week will start on a high low energy note for the Pisces Lagna natives, but with the passage of time the week will progress. The week is actually creating a very favorable energy for people who are connected with the field of the law or something to do with the teaching, training, you are working as the coach. For those people, the week is actually going to be creating some good energy. Any of the travels or business travels or work related travel which will happen during this week, that will work out in your favor. Any of those like finalization of any of those terms, like let's say for example you have already cleared majority of the employment rounds and now is the final negotiation package negotiation round with the HR. So there is a high possibility you will end up finding and getting the best deal for yourself. So I was watching this finale season of the last episode of the White Lotus, this latest season. The way that lady ended up getting that $5 million and she had 100,000 in her mind. So yeah, so this is how the week is going to be turning out. And yes guys, especially from the travel point of view, for any of the like people who are like student applying for any enrollment to any university, people who are like prioritizing any of the visa, immigration work and all, or by the end of the week, some important development with leaps and bounds at your career front, at your work front as well, some sort of appreciation from the bosses and all. So all of that seems to be the highlight or theme which will keep the Pisces Lagna natives busy and occupied. Guys, look at it in this way that in your case, Sun happened to be a 6th lord and your 6th lord was 8th from it, being hemmed with the Rahu and Saturn from like past 2 months, even when it was in the Aquarius as well. Now finally it is coming out and getting glorified, shining with the best of its capacity in your 2nd house of money, finances and speech. So that means yes, a lot of the like recognition, visibility and financial perks might come during this week for the Pisces Lagna natives. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyawad.